Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing BuyPurity.com, and as you can see, we have it here on our website. And if you don't know what this site is, it is basically just a site that sells apparel or clothes for a discounted price. As you can see, only $30, and the designs are like dogs, cats, and a lot more. So these are basically unique designs. So as you can see, you can view all right here. And as you can see, this site seems to be pretty legit, just by the looks of it. And if you're wondering if the site is actually legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews, which are 3.2 out of 5 stars, which is average, with 319 reviews. And let's see all the reviews here. So as you can see, every time customer, I check out my shoes. Is that love? I think so. Huge thanks to BuyPurity team. My son is obsessed with the sneakers. This guy said about 2 pairs of Jordans. Not only did they take a very long time, they both arrived and are about 3 centimeters short than the other 30 pairs I own, and the tongue was flimsy compared to other shoes. So as you can see, he got fake Jordans, so I didn't think you can buy legit Jordans from sites like these. So this guy ordered the wrong item. As someone who values both performance and style, blah blah blah. Do not buy from this site. It's fake. I purchased. Yes, I mean it is a given for the price. If you buy products from here, shoes from here, for a discounted price, you will assume that it is fake. So please do not buy shoes from this product with the hopes of that it is legit or original. As you can see, got my sneakers. But if you're perfectly fine with fake sneakers, you should go ahead and buy from them. However, do not expect legit product or legit quality from them. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.